Welcome to our course. In this class, we'll talk about the translation of international construction contract. Along with the enhancement of China's comprehensive power, an increasing number of Chinese enterprises undertake international engineering projects, which is the demonstration of the huge influence of Chinese enterprises in the world. Therefore, the professional, accurate, and readable translation of international construction contract is crucial for Chinese enterprises to go global successfully. For example, this is the engineering project constructed by China Railway Construction Corporation Limited in Saudi Arabia. These are the international projects constructed by Jiangxi Zhongmei Engineering Group Limited. International construction contract is an agreement established by the two equal parties from different areas or countries, which is enforced by law to complete a certain project construction. Well, my question is, what should be included in the international construction contract? Let's look at the sample. Contract for works of civil engineering construction. 国际土木建筑工程承包合同。Now, this is the title of the contract. And this is the preamble of the contract. Then, Chapter 1, Definition and Interpretation. Chapter 2, Content and the Scope of Contract. Chapter 3, Engineer and Engineer's Representative. Chapter 4, Assignment and Subcontracting. Chapter 5, Contract Documents. This is the last chapter, Chapter 27, Validation of Contract. And this is the attestation or closure. From this sample, we know that the contract consists of 4 or 5 parts. That is, title, 标题, preamble, 前言, addendum, 正文条款, and attestation, 证明部分. And the schedule or addendum, 附录, may or may not be included in the contract. Addendum includes the following parts: definition and interpretation clause, representations and warranties clause, term and termination clause, dispute resolution clause, force majeure clause, modification clause, indemnification clause, default clause, non-disclosure or non-publicity clause. It may also include other clauses. Well, how to translate the international construction contract? Please look at the English version and its translation, and pay special attention to the underlined bold-faced words and expressions, such as hereby, by and between, employer, contractor, whereas, Now therefore, witness hereto. Yes, you can find many terminologies such as 中标通知 the letter of acceptance, 标书 bidding document, 工程 works, 竣工 completion, 业主 employer, 承包商 contractor, 标段 section, 施工 execution, and etc. Try to remember them. There are also many formal words and expressions which frequently appear in legal texts, such as pursuant to, 根据第某某条 Now therefore, 兹特尽管 notwithstanding, and etc. Do you understand these archaic words frequently appearing in legal text? For example, hereby, 特此即此 hereto, 至此 whereas, 鉴于 Now this is the last chapter of the contract. It can be translated into 作为协议事项的证据，双方特此各自签字盖章为证。甲方代表业主职位，见证人职位地址，乙方代表承包商职位，见证人职位地址。Please pay attention to the underlined bold-faced words and expressions. Another linguistic feature of the contract is the frequent use of passive voice and the modal verb shall. Passive voice can be converted into active voice so as to make the translation smooth, readable, and acceptable. In the contract, shall plus verb is frequently used to indicate the meaning of command, obligation, responsibility, right, privilege, and commitment. And shall not means prohibition. The Chinese version is as follows. 106.1 本合同应在下列条件满足之日起生效。1. 双方授权代表签字。2. 并经双方政府批准。106.2 双方应在合同签字之日起2个月内完成上述批准手续。106.3 在106.1款规定的条件满足后，双方应通过信件确认合同生效日期。106.4 本合同的效力应直至双方所有的责任和义务完成时为止。Now, look at the translation of this sentence. Here, shall not is translated into 不得 and the Chinese version is 没有业主的事先同意，承包商不得将合同或合同的任何部分，或合同中或合同名下的任何利益或好处进行转让，但下列情况除外。International engineering covers a wide range of fields, such as civil engineering, railway engineering, road engineering, airport engineering, highway engineering, hydraulic engineering, and etc., which is a long and complicated legal text. It's a challenge for us to translate the international construction contract. A faithful, professional, and smooth translation can contribute to the cooperation between the two parties. The translator should be familiar with the linguistic and stylistic features of international construction contract. And the translator should not only have a good command of language, but also try to get familiar with the professional knowledge as soon as possible. Besides, the translator should strictly abide by the professional standard or code. Be rigorous, conscientious, meticulous, and dedicated. Have a team spirit and a strong sense of confidentiality. Well, that's all for this class. Thank you for watching. See you next time.